Well, that was interesting to say the least. Our champion has been crowned for Celestial Assembly. And it was Fatalis. I honestly thought Ho would have won one, but it is what it is. Stuff happens, but oh well. Let me show you what happened. So, he decided to tank Midworld, which is not the best option, as you can see right there. Just death. I mean, to be fair, the first one, he did actually just get outright died to Midworld, but the other ones, he like tanked it somewhat. But he still lost half his HP, so I don't know, but worthy effort. Good try, good try. Right there. Good try. Good effort, good effort. Give him that. So plan was just to like tank the mini world and then like burst him like burst him to death. Didn't work out, but good effort. And that's basically how it went. I was hoping for it to last longer, like a two round thing, like 2 cycles of abilities or something. But oh well, it is what it is. But anyways, apart from that, the Refu and Hope fight, those were really close, as you can see right here. Like a win and 2 losses. That's not too bad. Considering like the difference. But I think most of the difference is like the difference in pets. That's where most of it comes from, so they're pretty even in stats, so there's that. They speed it up to 2 times. God, these are long fights. Yeah. Basically, how Magica versus Magic fight goes. Unless you tank the mid world, try to tank the mid world. But he put up a good fight. Because Refu was not. Ho is like Eminence, and Refu is just complete, so that was a good fight, nonetheless. And it's just like slugfest right from here. And that's basically how this the third one went. So that was a good fight. Anyways, someone wanted to see my fights. I don't know why, but I mean, I think right here. Yeah, that's where top 50. I think it was team 55. Like right there. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. Mini world. But to be fair, I'm like 2 trillion more than him, so it was expected, and that's like how it went for all 3. Same for this one. I think. Yeah. Same thing. Right here as well. Just mini world, and they die. He didn't die right here, but oh well. Oh yeah, he did. And then for this one, I lost miserably. Oh, this is a quick fight. I don't need to speed it up. Yep. Basically how it went, I just got killed instantly. And death. And yeah, that's basically how it went for that thing. I mean, I could have tried make it a little bit harder, but I didn't want to. and I took effort, so I didn't want to. I mean, I wouldn't win, but it would be I would have brought him to like 70% health. It's better than 90%, but whatever. It is what it is. Next time, next Celestial Assembly for sure. Copium. There's a copium. Anyways, did I bid on that mace already? Yeah, there it is. Yeah, I'm gonna switch back to demon. I miss the mace. I have no shields and like the map. It's useful. It's useful. But the fights are like only one round. At least the ones that I'm in, it's only one round. So it's not as effective as the mace would be. So I'm gonna switch back and use mace. That's about it. Did I finish crafting these ones? Yes, I did. Okay, let me get these. 72, 80. Man, I need me some demon lures. I just wish we could craft them. The stupid demon lures. I ran out. I freaking ran out. So sad. Do I need to get these? I mean, nah. Let me see. Yeah, I'm max on XP. Don't need it. And this one is like Nirvana early. I mean, will I break through to Supreme Middle in like day one? Maybe. Nah, I don't think so. So that's plenty of enough time. Okay. That's enough for that. Got that. Always good to get those elixirs. Okay, what we're working with. 7 yellows, 14 purples. I mean, okay. So what? Tomorrow I'll be G13? Maybe. So long, but at least I say almost done, but nowhere near. It's gonna be expensive to finish. 965 for level 26. That's crazy. That's like what? 2 runs? Wait, 400, 400. 3 runs. I mean, yeah, 3 runs. And I get enough. That's gonna be a long time. Probably another 2 months before I complete the extractor. Should have like 200 plus fruits by then. Ooh, complete a task. Oh, I guess that's for tomorrow. Okay, can use that for tomorrow. Oh yeah, I got a ring. I got a ring. Courtesy of my segmate. He doubled my one, got me a ring. So nice. Right? How much attack will I gain from that? I have 4.75 billion right now. Let's see. Inherit. 4.81. I'm gonna be honest. I thought I would get more, but oh well. It is what it is. Alright, I can sell this. Sell it? Let me see something. Revamp that one. Man. Yeah, I'm gonna sell it. I'ma sell it. Get this one. Equip that. Equip that one. Okay. Where is it? That one right there. Sell it for 150. Alright, that's that. Let's see, I did that already. Got that. I need star stones. When is that? What's the next weekly? I should look at that one. What's the next one? Ooh, Everfrost, yes. What's here? Do I have these already? Ooh. I'm missing Phoenix Requiem for 3-star sets. Interesting. Ain't no way you crashed on me, bro. Ain't no way. Crashed on me, bro. I don't know what happened all of a sudden. Like it just keeps crashing all of a sudden. I don't know what happened. I think it was like two updates ago. It started crashing on me. Don't know why. It just happened. Which that was the last thing I expected, but oh well. Yeah. There's also someone that wanted to know why I didn't use the Solaris and run method in Tower. Yeah, this one. Like this one. So, ooh, real answer. I was just lazy. I didn't want to use it. So, and this is like the fastest way I can do it. Takes no, I don't, no, no. It's not the fastest. It's just well, technically it is fastest, but it also takes less effort to do. So that's the build I'm running now, and let's show you the one where I just use Solaris and run. So range is a problem, so I have the Peeper to increase that one. If I don't have, I'm gonna take a lot of damage, which is not fun. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna use, the Solaris and Run method. That's what I usually use. Range, roar, field. And then when field runs out, I do mini world. And then after mini world, array. That was the one that worked well for me. Let's show you this one now for comparison. And then that one in field. That's the 2 times speed. Yeah. See? Takes more effort. Whereas I just stay right here and it just kills everything. I mean, eventually I'll probably use that method, the Solaris and run, to like when I get to a stage that it requires that to happen. But as I'm right now, I don't really need to do that. So I just do this method instead. So that's why I don't use the Solaris and run method, in case you were wondering. Let's put this back. And put this way down here. Okay, that's that. The tower. Let me do my pulls. Okay, come on. Legendary map shorts. That's all I want, please, bro. Just give me those, and I'll be happy. Okay, we'll take that. Oh my gosh, stop giving me Immortal Tactic shards, bro. Why? I'm missing like one. Wait, can you upgrade Land of Glimmer? Okay, can't upgrade that one. Can't upgrade that one either. I don't think. Can you get Land of Wilfred and Land of Glimmer here? Let me check. Okay, no, you can't. Okay, I guess. So I'm missing one legend to level 4. I think these are the tower things or something like that. Completely forgot. So I'm missing one to level 4, and then I have the red, and everything else needs to go to level 5, which is a lot. I'm behind. I'm only Tologic 6. Behind everyone else. And then I have this bunch of epics, and then a bunch of rays to upgrade. Every single time I get more to tactic shorts. Oh well. Oh well. Demon Fate Clash. Let's do these. Let's do 5 of them. 50-50. Right there, 50-50. I need to get lucky to beat him. I'm gonna try though. I'm gonna try. Let's hope it goes well. Oh, I should probably use Heaven Myth Grasp first. Oh, okay. That's nice. Didn't think I would win that one, but okay. You take that. 113 points away from the next rank. Okay. Hell no, I'm not fighting that dude. Yeah. And that's basically why I don't use it. I'm gonna switch to demon again. I only want like 1 round. The fights I'm in never goes more than 1 round. These 2 dudes, they don't have mini world first, which means I have to not have it first. Cause I will lose. My mini world is not strong enough to like kill them outright. So I have to change that one. Could you imagine if they like change their layout where it's mini world first? I would die. Yep, I'm dead. I am dead. Yep. I called it. I freaking called it, bro. I called it. I called it. I called it. Like both of them, they don't do that. And then the one time, that's bullshit, dude. That is fuck. That's bullshit, dude. I call bullshit on that one, bro. I freaking called it, bro. I knew it. Where is it? Let me get my get back. And then I bet in like another day tomorrow you'll switch back to like not me in the world first. Whatever. I wonder if Gojo doesn't have mini world first. Let's see. Oh, come on! The one time... Bro, I'm telling you, when I fight them, they don't have it first. Whatever, okay? Whatever. 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 Can piss me off. Stupid ass. It's just... Ciao. Piss me off. Well, anyways, I think that's about it. Covered everything I needed to cover, so yeah, that's it. I'm signing off. See y'all next time.